Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here with another installment to my card making using the Bohemian backgrounds from Unity Stamp Company. This is an awesome way to create a one-layered card. We're going to begin by stamping our stamp from Bohemian background and using the Love My Tribe from the same stamp set. We're going to start by using a yellow ink onto the whole image here of my stamp. Next, I'm going to be using an orange. This is Orange Twist from Catherine Pooler. Going to do the edges. Party Dress, I'm going to go ahead and do the edges as well, just using less of the image. And then I'm going to move on to our darkest color, which is a purple, and I'm going to be doing just the edging of the stamp set. Once I've done the whole stamp, I'm going to put this and stamp it on the corner of my cardstock. And you have your ombre look. We're going to go ahead and clean the stamp and repeat the process. Again, yellow on the center. Going to outline that with orange. And then we're going to outline the orange with pink. And to finish off, we're going to be outlining with purple. Once we're done with our two images, I'm going to go ahead and set everything aside as we're going to move on to the sentiment, Love My Tribe. I'm going to stamp this in a black ink. It's going to go right on the center. Once we've stamped our sentiment, we're going to move on and start matting our card. I'm going to place some adhesive onto the back of this card panel. I'm going to place black cardstock that I have pre-cut so it mats under it. And then this is going to be placed over our card base. Again, we're going to put some adhesive on the cardstock and place that over the card base. And that does it for this one layer card using Bohemian backgrounds. I really hope you have enjoyed this series using Bohemian backgrounds. Please leave us a kind comment if you'd like to see more items like this, and we will keep creating them. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day.